There's a Facebook business tool for every business goal. Facebook is a great marketing tool in itself, and with almost 2 billion people visiting the platform on a monthly basis, it is a huge one at that. With that said, Facebook has a nice array of business tools for every business goal that is attainable on the social network. Each one of the following tools is a crucial part of the Facebook ecosystem, and they all play well alongside each other to help you reach your goals and sustain business. Facebook Adverts. Paid online advertising is as old as the internet itself, and it should be part of any marketing plan for any business worth its salt. In fact, online advertising is way more effective than traditional TV advertising for reaching new customers. Facebook adverts are a great way to reach people because they blend naturally onto people's timelines and don't look like ads. And their very non-intrusive nature is what makes them so effective. Facebook pages. Facebook pages are to businesses what Facebook profiles are to regular people because they establish a presence for any business in the platform, from where photos, videos, and updates can be shared with your customers and all the people that matter. With over 1 billion people active on a daily basis on the platform, Facebook pages are a great way to allow people to find you and connect with you easily. Messenger. Good customer service is an essential practice of any business with an online presence. And being able to answer your customers' questions in record time is one of the things that will keep people coming back for more. The Facebook Messenger will allow you to establish a communication channel right on your Facebook page without having to use a third-party application. It will allow you to automate responses and create messenger bots to better serve your customers. Instagram. Instagram is by far the most popular visual discovery platform that is also built upon a social network. People use Instagram to express themselves and be inspired, and businesses have learned to capitalize on this trend by using Instagram to showcase their brand's identity. Your Facebook adverts can be shown on Instagram, and Instagram is big among mobile users. 70% of Instagram users follow a business in the platform, and it has been found that 75% of people take action after being inspired by posts on Instagram thanks to its visual nature. So only good things can result from leveraging this type of engagement. Audience network. The Facebook ecosystem is not limited to the Facebook and Instagram platforms. Its reach extends beyond and all throughout the World Wide Web. You can easily extend your Facebook advertising campaigns beyond Facebook by letting your adverts appear on apps and websites across the web. Atlas. Business goals will only be successful if a business is able to improve them, and to improve them, it is necessary to monitor them. The Atlas feature will allow you to measure the success of your goals and campaigns by getting insights based on actions linked to real people.